Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download TikTok in your PC. So first you have to open your Google web browser. In the search section, you have to type TikTok download and Windows and simply enter it. And we could see from the search results with the top option that says TikTok Microsoft apps, click on that option and we could see the logo of the TikTok, and just beside it there's an install icon. Tap on that, and here we could see there's another option that pops out, and click on this box and click on the open Microsoft Store, and you just have to click on this option. There will be a pop out of install. You simply have to click on this option like this, and it will show that it's downloading. We could see right here. So that is it guys. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon, and that is how you can download and install TikTok in your PC.